Oh, I'm live. Hello. Hello, everyone. If you come on here, tell me hello. And I wanted to give you a little suggestions on your lavender tree. So there's somebody on here with me. Hello. I didn't realize I'd hit live already. So I wanted to come on here and tell you about your lavender trees. Mine were looking a little rough. The last time I showed you guys our landscaping, it looked like they were becoming a little rough. So if you come on here, tell me hello and tell me what you're doing this Saturday. And come on, I'll show you what's going on with our little lavender trees. I'm going to turn this around really fast. Hello, everyone. Okay, so I learned, hi Linda, hi Ralph, hi, I think it's Barbara, hello. Okay, guys, listen, we planted these little lavender trees at the beginning, and I just absolutely love them. They're topiary trees, and they have a little stem here, and then we put this beautiful foliage down here, and it's really growing really pretty. The problem is it was starting to get, like, the little tops of them here were starting to get really kind of yucky and just I don't know, I guess dead. Is that what you'd call it, Lexi? Yeah. Kind of dead. And I'll show you on this one here, on the other one that we have here. And see how they kind of just turned a little brown? Like, there is some new ones right up here. They're really pretty and they smell really good. If you can kind of see that, the sun is really bright. But see how these down here are kind of just dead and they're sparse? Well, I read about this. I'm like, oh my goodness, what do I do with this? Because there's got to be something going on with this. So what do you do with it? What's the maintenance? This is the first time I've had them this year. And I'm like, what do we do? So you can go ahead, Lexi, start pruning it. When you start pruning it, they say that you basically just go through with your little lavender trees and you start taking off the foliage, all the tops of them off there. And you can actually start basically just shaping them. And oh my gosh, guys, you should smell the lavender when you do that. It's amazing. It is like, look at this. Lexi's putting them in her shirt like this. But those smell amazing. So how I tell which ones that you need to prune and the ones that you don't is see how these kind of really actually are starting to kind of get a little bit of kind of purple color, if I could talk, blah, blah, blah. Purple color, and they can smell. They really are very fragrant. The other ones have lost their fragrance on them, so that's a really good indication that it's time to prune them. And I think what happens is I think that the tree just can't really prune themselves, so you have to really dispense them yourself. So I just wanted to share that, because if you do have a little lavender tree like I do, I have 2 of them in my garden here, and I'll show you. Hi, Linda. Hi, Joyce. Hi, Cecil. Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a good Saturday. Of course, we're adding more landscaping and doing all the things. But I thought, oh my gosh, Lexi, we've got to figure this out. And so, yes, I think what they said is basically like this one's kind of tall. I didn't want to cut it off. But you can start shaping them into a round ball, which is really kind of cool. So that's kind of what we thought we would do. So I just wanted to share that, because if you have one of these, I didn't know what you did with it. I was like, I've just been watering it and feeding it and doing all the things, and I'm not really sure what to do with it. So that's what you do. You kind of just shape it and you round it off. And that's kind of what we've been doing here. And oh my gosh, guys, I'm not kidding you. It smells amazing. So I kind of knew that, like, your rose bushes, like here, your knockout rose bushes, I always prune those back when they kind of dispense themselves, and then they grow like wildfires, just like these. But I didn't know you had to do your little lavender trees like this. But see how that top of that, how they're kind of growing scraggly? Once those kind of get dead, I'm going to round it off like there. I'm just going to just take that and just take my scissors, and I'm just going to round it off like that and keep forming it into a ball. And another thing that I wanted to share with you is this summer, if you want to keep those, they said that you can actually take them inside your house. Now you have to make sure that you put them in a container that at least has 2 to 4 inches at the bottom so that they can drain really well. Make sure that they drain. But you can take them inside, and they do live, and they look really amazing. They said to make sure that you prune them through the winter. And for us here in Missouri, make sure that you prune them. And sorry, a wasp was coming at, or a bumblebee. Actually, a big old bumblebee was coming at me. and make sure that you prune them and you water them and you turn them. So if you put them in a big window with lots of sunshine, they'll love that. And you have to just keep turning them because they're going to really grow oddly shaped because they like the sun a lot. So, okay, that's what I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to come on here and tell you that because I was like, yay, that's awesome. I didn't know that you were supposed to shape them and prune them and do all that. Who knew, right? So I thought I would share that with you guys. That's what I've been doing. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much. Bye, guys. Bye.